Hello friends, I found super cheap colors and today we will work with them. These colors are already cheap. They are 5-6 euro in the store, but I found it for 3 because they are on one page where people are selling used things. Even this one's not so much used. They are very smooth. I already swatched them. Also, I found brushes. You can put it, I don't know, on a leg or on the arm. So here they are. And they are super cute. They are for children, but they're pretty good. I like them, really. This I also paid for 3 euros. This whole complete totally new. So today we will try them with these colors. So now I want to see, can they work well with water? So here are the yellow one. The paper is not really good, it's just for cardboard. Then maybe orange. Then I want to try this one, this brush. I really like how this brush is smooth and soft. Then here is some lighter orange, red, pink. They are really working well with water. I'm surprised because they are child's grade or maybe hobby grade oil pastels. So that is pink, like opera pink. This one is like blushy pink, rose, maybe. Then this red, darker red. They totally work with colors. They're not tiny specks of the colors. I really love it. And then it's this green. Beautiful. And then darker green. Now we can see how they work when we mix them a bit. Nice. I like it. Here are 30 pieces of this oil pastels. Big range of colors. So maybe we can try some other. So that is that, and now I think we should paint something. And we will paint today this old house. And I already have some, I think 4. Here is 1, 2, 3, just 3. And this one is 4. So I want this old house and First I want black, so we will use black. We will use oranges and reds and maybe brown and gray for my colors. First we will make this upper part. It is pretty cute and it is something inside, I'm not sure what, but there are some leaves around. It is very beautiful and look like metal part of the roof, and then it's here the roof. And I don't know where I have this love to old houses, but I really do like when I see some old damaged house. Then we have one balcony here on the side, and this balcony is like also from metal. And the house is on the corner of the street, so it has some strange shapes. Then here is also one little fence from metal, and here and on this side, but it is not very visible because the tree is here, so something like this. And then on this side also is like a bigger balcony from metal wire, like this. And then we have some round windows here, just like that, and here, very strange house. I don't know is this AI or what, but that is I found on Pinterest, so it's possibly that it is AI. So all the windows are from the wooden frames. And then I think we need to work on our house. Is red, darker red here. And then how it's go down. Also it is pretty red on this place, like this, and maybe here is more protected, and on this part is also pretty red, this dark red. Then it goes like lighter red goes here. Around the windows. And then it is orange, because I think this red is pretty washed. And here is different color. do with this orange now. This is the ugly face, so don't you everything will look nice at the end. So the orange is behind these balconies also, and here in this part. And now the lighter brown is here. Around this, then I want to add a little bit of blue, because this windows, I see that bluish tint here. Now I think we need to add water. Lots of water on our upper part, because this house is so old and everything is dripping from the up to the bottom. Now the tiniest for the windows, like this, and then this blue. For the price, I think this colors and these brushes are phenomenal. And brushes are Pelikan, so very good brushes. And now we need to wait for everything that to dry, but in the meantime I want to add sky, color of the sky, and I will add it here. I will add blue and gray. Now we need to wait everything this to dry, and then I will add the details on the house and the tree in front of the house, because this is very cool part. And later we will add the little leaves here. So now maybe more blending. And this sketchbook is from I Love Art, Gestaecker, Germany. Now, when everything is pretty dried, I want to add a tree. So here, this house has one tree here in front, but it is very strange. It goes like this. And here is other part, and this other part go like this. Super strange, dark, almost black tree. And leaves from this tree is already fall, but some branches have a little bit leaves here and there. Something like this, super strange. And here is one branch which was cut off, obviously, and here also, because it is in front of the window, and here also one cut off branch like this. Also on some places here you can tell that people didn't want to take down the whole tree, but they want to shape it like very interestingly, like this. I really like this. So now, which one? This pretty flat brush, something like that. Then here are the leaves of the tree. Of course, we have some leaves on the branches also, here and there. A lighter one. On some branches, not on all of them. So maybe also here. And then here are the most of the leaves are here. And then we will take this darker orange and just shape our leaves here a little more. Like this. And then the red one can go here also on these leaves. And then I also want to add a bit of brown in this tree. And then we will wait everything that to dry, and then we will add some details, probably with black. So now we will add a little bit more depth with this color. And first we will start from this part. So guys, if you like this scary old house, I think you should look at my next videos from the same playlist, because it is pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!